Washington, insisting it was the tech giant's civic duty to cooperate with authorities in such matters. The Federal Bureau of Investigation reportedly contacted Apple Monday to demand its assistance in opening an iPhone 11's packaging. "It is absolutely imperative that Apple grant us access to the contents of this box," said FBI Director Christopher A. Wray, explaining that his old phone was not working right, and, as a matter of national security, Apple must immediately send experts to Washington who could crack open the plastic and cardboard encasing his new device. "You can't hide what's in here from us. It is simply impermissible. Going forward, Apple should be required to provide federal agents with a way to get past all this shrink wrap on their own, as well as some guidance as to whether this button here is for turning the phone on, or what exactly." At press time, sources confirmed Apple had defied the Bureau's demands, claiming that each iPhone's packaging had to remain intact to prevent a massive breach of user privacy. Advertisement.